Conversations move businesses forward, and business moves faster than ever. But something has changed. Conversations have become more complex. They carry context, emotion, memory. Automation alone isn't enough. The solution we once relied on must evolve. What we saw as a chatbot was actually the beginning of an AI agent. Across industries, our solutions have transformed how businesses engage their customers and deliver better experiences. Now, this is the next chapter of Qiscus AI. Intelligence, brand-aligned, governance-driven. Where your AI has purpose, your business stays on brand, and you can trust it. We're not just building features. We are building the future of customer engagement. This is Qiscus AgentLabs.